Hey guys, I do private online drum lessons nowadays through a Zoom connection. Please visit drumlab.online where you can sign up for a free trial lesson. Here's the video. Hey guys, new day, new pattern. Bass, bass, right, left, bass, bass, right, left, 1 E and the 2 E and the 1 E and the 2 E and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1. Or maybe this one. 1 E and the 2 E and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1. 1 E and the 2 E and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2 E and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 3 E and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2 E and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1. Let's go a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 E and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2. I don't know about the last one. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little better, a little sharper. Very important.